Okay, part 2. I'm going to change the color to blue. All right, so now we're going to look here, and we're looking at stating the rule. Basically, stating the rule is what are you doing to the number? Are we going greater than, less than? Are we adding? Are we subtracting? So we're going to find the difference in the number. Again, comparing. So I have 92,375, 82,375, and 72,375. I notice all of them have 375. I notice all of them have 2,000. So something's happening to the 10,000s place, and it's going down. So 9, 8, 7, 60, 2,375, 50, 2,375. I noticed every time I was taking away a 10,000. So the rule is to subtract or take away 10,000. Okay, that's the rule every time you're going in between numbers. So same thing with here. In the beginning, the 47,000 are exactly the same. But now I see the 29, 29, 29 are the same. What's changing is the hundreds place. So 7, 6, 5. Again, it's decreasing. It's going down, and it's going down by 100. So the next one is 47,429, 47,329. So I know I'm subtracting 100, okay? So you got to look and check the places together. Now, this next part is the simple part. This is just the adding. This is adding either with or without regrouping, okay? So I'm going to start here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. I'm going to carry my number. 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. And then you have 1. And again, don't forget your comma. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. Comma, comma, comma. 7 plus 4 is 11. And then 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay? Now, I was talking to you guys earlier about if you're having a hard time adding like an 8 and a 5. So I'd say the number 8, and then I would tap out 5 points. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's like that touch math, okay? And then 7, 8, 9, 3, 5 plus 2 is 7, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 77,393. It's all about taking your time on the adding. Now here's the one that we always have a hard time with, and this is subtracting. So I have a 2. I need to take 5. I can't do that. So I'm going to the tens place. I'm going to borrow. So I move over a 10. So 12 minus 5. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Now, 6 I can't subtract from 2. So I'm going to go ahead and borrow a 10, which makes this a 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6, comma, comma, comma. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. My suggestion is when you are regrouping, take your time and go one by one, because if you try to cross them out all across, it's going to be really hard. Subtracting across zeros, we're going to go ahead, and every time we borrow a 10, it becomes a 10, which becomes a 9. It becomes a 10, which becomes a 9. So that's why we're going to do it this way. So you can't do any of these. So it becomes a 4, and then it becomes a 10, which becomes a 9. A 10 becomes a 9. A 10 becomes a 9, and this last one is a 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, comma, comma, comma. 9 minus 3 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again, if I add these back together, then I know that I'm going to be on the correct path, okay? The last one you can go ahead and do on your own while we are on this video. And the only other thing I'm going to say is we're going to do a part 3 to kind of talk about what this last one looks like, and we'll go from there.